morning, Omar Johansson here with Incredible Trailers. I'm here to give you some pointers on driving a tow vehicle with a boat trailer. It's really not that hard. Honestly, it comes down to taking it slow. Don't be in a rush. Don't let other people make you feel nervous and rushed. Take your time, do what you need to do, ignore everybody, and be safe. You can do it, it's not that hard. Okay, so I see our videos previously on how to properly connect a trailer. We are properly connected. I have started the truck, I am in drive. I am going to pull forward. As you may or may not be able to see in this video, the trailer is not straightened out. So the first thing I want to do is get my trailer straightened out so it's directly behind me. So now we're moving. I'm using my left mirror, I'm using my right mirror, and I'm also using my rear view mirror. So I'm coming forward. Now, I want to make a right-hand turn up here. Remember, you want to go wide because your trailer wheels are pretty far back there. So they're going to want to naturally cut the corners short. So what I want you to do is take a wide right turn or a wide left turn. When doing that, who's the annoying person? Some bicycler, some motorcycle, some little car is going to try to zip in on the inside of you as you go to the right, or zip in the inside of you as you go to the left. And what's going to happen? They're going to get pinched. What do? Go slow. Feel free to brake and stop. Let them go by. Don't try to pinch them. Don't try to outrun them. Don't try to outgun them. Go slow. Be safe. So I'm pulling forward. I am watching my wheels here to the right in my right rear view mirror to make sure I clear the curb, and I'm driving nice and slow, and I'm not letting anybody bother me. Okay, I'm now going to make a left, and I'm going to make a nice wide left-hand turn, and I'm going nice and slow. There's no rush, nobody's pressuring me, and I'm going to ignore them even if they wanted to. So now I'm driving my straighten back out again. I'm coming up to a left-hand turn to leave this ramp and launch area. So I'm going to bring my vehicle to the far right, knowing that I'm going to make a left, and I'm going to make a wide left-hand turn as I come here as well. I'm going to watch my trailer wheels, take my time. If you have any questions or need any additional pointers, feel free to contact us at incredibletrailers.com.